फ्यूचर इंग्लिश रीडिंग में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम लोग ब्राविया इंग्लिश बुक क्लास 5 का लेसन 3, लेसन का नाम है अंकल पोजर। इसके अंतर्गत आज हम लोग पेज नंबर 24, 25 और 26 का रीडिंग करेंगे। डियर स्टूडेंट, हमारे चैनल के द्वारा आप आसानी से अंग्रेजी पढ़ना सीख सकते हैं, क्योंकि अंग्रेजी के शब्दों को हूबहू हमने हिंदी उच्चारण लिखा हूँ, जिससे कि आपको अंग्रेजी पढ़ने में सुविधा हो। अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो आप लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। पेज नंबर 24। ऑल रन अराउंड बट नो कोट इज फाउंड। दे केम बैक टू द center stage. Uncle Poser crashing into a sofa. Doesn't anybody in the whole house known where my coat is? I never came across such a set of fools in all my life. Upon my word, I didn't. All of you, and you can't find a coat that I put down 5 minutes ago. Gurley and Bill return. Uncle gets up in anger and finds that he has been sitting on his coat. Uncle Poser, oh, you can stop searching now. I found it myself. Our coat can find things faster than you people. He makes a fuss while typing up his finger. Will, let's get a new glass. Some tools, sand, set the ladder and the chair. Aunt Poser and the candle too. It's almost dinner time. The whole family stands in a semicircle, ready for the great challenge. Uncle Poser, you two have to hold me here, and you hand me a nail, and you pass me the hammer. Be careful now. Uncle, take the nail. and drop it। पेज नंबर 24 का रीडिंग समाप्त हुआ। अब हम लोग पेज नंबर 25 यानी कि 25 का रीडिंग करेंगे। पेज नंबर 25। अंकल पोजर देयर नाउ द नेल्स गॉन, can't you do anything right? Martha and Gurley go down on their knees and look for it, while Uncle Poser stands on the chair and shows anger at being made to wait. Jim, here's the nail. Where's the hammer? Uncle Poser, where's the hammer? What did I do with the hammer? Great heavens, so many of you standing around there, and you don't know what I did with the hammer. Gurley finds the hammer in Uncle Poser's back pocket and hands it over to him. Uncle Poser, now look what you all have done. I've lost the mark on the wall. Get up here and see how difficult it is to find the mark. Everyone takes their turn to get up on the chair beside him and see if the mark could be found. Uncle Poser fools, get off now and let me take the measurements again. Uncle uses a bit of string this time, and at the last moment, when he was leaning too far over the chair, he slips and falls on the piano. Some music is heard when his head bangs on the keys of the piano. Uncle Poser, muttering under his breath, with everyone around him, all of you are good for nothing. I say, just good for nothing. पेज नंबर 25 का रीडिंग समाप्त हुआ। इसके बाद हम लोग पेज नंबर 26 का रीडिंग करेंगे। पेज नंबर 26। Finally, everyone takes their old positions and Uncle Poser gets up